Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Workday app how to resubmit withdrawn application. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to resubmit a withdrawn application in Workday, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Workday application and then simply sign in with the credentials. Then once you are logged in, what you need to do is tap on the career or job applications worklet or menu item, then select my application or similar. Then next is to look for the application you previously withdrew, and then withdrawn applications usually show a status like withdrawn, cancelled or closed. Then some organizations allow you to reapply directly from the withdrawn application page by clicking a apply or submit again button. If no such option exists, you might need to apply anew for the same job by searching the job listing again. Then search for the job opening and fill out and submit the application again. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.